Biancomangiare is a decadent vegan dessert all the way from Sicily, and it's super easy to make. You're going to start with 100 grams of sugar, 50 grams of cornstarch, fourth of a teaspoon of sea salt, 100 milliliters of almond milk, and stir until a paste forms. And then you're going to add in your lemon peel and some cinnamon, the rest of your almond milk, and then stir it and cook over medium-high heat until the mixture starts to bubble. Once it bubbles, you can take out your lemon peel and then cook until the mixture thickens up more, and then pour it all into some ramekins and place in the refrigerator overnight so the mixture can set. And then the next day, place a plate over your ramekin and gently flip it over, and then the dessert should just fall right out. And enjoy.